शरजील मेमन अभी बाहर आने वाला है रेस्टोरेंट से शराब पीकर। ये सामने शराब पड़ी है और ये बाहर आ रहा है। ओए, पाकिस्तान से पैसे चोरी करके इधर आ गया है? बता ना, बोलता क्यों नहीं है? पुलिस कॉल करूं मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के केस में? I'm a British citizen, you know that. Fucking corrupt politician took the all money from Pakistan. Did you? Tell me the truth. How much you took? बता ना. What relax? What do you mean? You want me to call the police? They will arrest him in money laundering case. Money laundering case. And you as well. You as well. They will arrest you as well. Don't come next to me. Don't come next to me. I will call the police. I will call the police now. They will investigate. Where is the money? बहन चोद, कुत्ती के बच्चे, तेरी माँ का छोला पड़ा. This is not Pakistan. You can't do nothing. He's a thief. He's a thief. This guy is a thief. Took money from Pakistan. He's a thief. Look at me. Look at me. Bastard. Fucking pig.